What's up, man?
Hey guys, welcome to Shark Busters. Happy 4th of July!
4th of July, fun. We got, what is this called? The
Victory Sword!
Victory Sword Firework.
Yeah, we already used this one, but we have another.
Yeah, we got another one we haven't burned off yet. We're going to do a fun video of it, show you what it's like. Hold it out there.
Light it!
We got it. Here we go. Whoa, that looks crazy on the phone.
Yeah, it's just a giant sparkler. Oh god. Okay, the cardboard's on fire.
It's alright, you'll be alright. And shoot some colors after, pretty fun.
Yeah.
There you go.